How to know if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. If you suspect someone has blocked you on WhatsApp, there are several signs you can look for. No profile picture or updates. You won't be able to see the contact's profile picture, last seen, or online status. However, this could also mean they've changed their privacy settings. Messages only show one check mark. When you send a message, it will only show one gray check mark, indicating it was sent but not delivered. Usually, 2 gray check marks mean it was delivered, and 2 blue check marks mean it was read. Unable to make calls. If you try to make a voice or video call and it doesn't go through, this could be another indication. Cannot add to groups. If you try to add the contact to a WhatsApp group and you receive a message saying you are not allowed to add them, this is a strong sign they've blocked you. No updates to status. You won't see any updates to the person's status if they have blocked you. None of these signs are definitive on their own, but if you notice several of them together, it's likely that you have been blocked.